Yeah. It goes up and down like that. I have slow days and I have busy days. Alright, we got ourselves... We're going from Intel to AMD. This is 7800X3D. Alright. This is a build I did last year. Nah, the guy's starting to have... He was starting to get blue screens just out of nowhere while he was doing stuff. And he just constantly getting worse and worse. And we were able to identify it. We ran stress tests and it's something with the CPU. Oh, we're going from Intel 13900K to AMD. Oh, let's get going. Let's get this guy out of here. Oh, that's right, this has the remote lock release, which is all the way over here. And we'll pull that out of there, set that off to the side. Nice tiny little GPU. And all of these cables out. Up we go. It's the only way I can get my hands in here. Trying to see if there's a way I can do this without taking the back of this off. That'd be fancy. Alright, so. That comes up. This should be, oh, that is attached. Alright. We're not 100% sure if it is degraded, but the customer's been complaining of lots of blue screening just while he's doing regular stuff, and especially while he's gaming. And he said he's been watching a lot of the stuff and he just wants to see what Team Red's like. So I said, okay. And he said, okay, let's do it. Pull out his SSD. It's not necessarily confirmed, but seems pretty likely. 6200. I have a problem with his Windows key. I have to log back into his account to reactivate it. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. Doesn't look like he's got another... Yes, this is a very expensive board. He does not have another NVMe in there. All right, let's look at the cooler first. This is the AM5. Brought me the wrong retention brackets. Like much, much smaller. Why would you think this guy likes Gigabyte stuff? Everything other than this is Corsair or ASUS. I'm gonna have to cut all of these cables. Dang it. You can move two things. The board is very small in this case. I don't think he realized he was getting like a small motherboard. I think I remember telling him this though. When he was shopping for this stuff. It's a tight little fit in there. I don't think his GPU mount that he was using is going to work anymore. This is going to be a lot higher up. So that's in there. This is going to be... CPU optional. This is CPU fan. Have to loosen some of these cables around the back here. That is same place. This doesn't exist anymore. That was that additional PCI power. That's in the same place. That's going to be higher up. That's in the same place. Alright, let's get the rest of these screws put in here. Oh no, that's nice. Nice little captive auto-locking freaking M2. So I'll pass, thank you. Alright, let me look at... Not even going to put that in yet. We still have this other memory. I don't think this memory is going to be a problem. I don't know why he got this other memory. What memory did he get? It's all DDR5. I don't think he needed to get more memory. It's 32 gigs. This is 32 gigs. So yes, 6,000 and 6,200. Is the 7,000 not compatible with 6,200? So this guy literally just did a search and got the #1 result. Here's a CL36. This old stuff. All right, yeah. Okay. Let's cut. This thing is gonna get thermal paste over everything, dang it. I have nothing to attach this to. Alright, we gotta rotate. Rotate. We got ourselves the door. Switch over to face cam. So the cables that I need to loosen up are literally just this little bundle right here. So look at that. It's almost like I was prepared for this for some reason. This cable is going to go up here. All right, let's get those. We got our front audio. Got USB. Oh, these are upside down. That's strange. And we have our front panel connector, which goes this way. Install this memory, install the CPU, press the cold plate against it until I hear from the guy. All right. Now, everything is plugged in. We're going to put some thermal compound on this. And start it up, see what we need to do. So we're going to basically hold that in place while we do our run-up tests on this. I feel like this plate is going to need to move. Like, I did update this title. Yeah, it saves a little bit of money. The smallest of GPUs. Okay, let's see what we got here. Gonna definitely want to hold that down. This is probably gonna take a little bit of time to post. No, it didn't. So we know we're gonna need to do a BIOS update. Oh, I haven't even got there yet, man. It's on the board paint under the GPU, more than likely. It's under that massive thing. All right, let's get this thing shut down. We got the BIOS updated. I just need to wait for him. He has to call me back and let me know if he actually has the right hardware for this. If not, I'll have to pull it out of mine and kind of go from there.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/Bradenton PC Repair. If you want to learn more about my services, you can check out BradentonPCRepair.com. And if you have questions when I'm not streaming, you can get a link to our Discord down in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.